My name is Davies. The company is Davies and Sons Property Maintenance. It's been established now for approximately 10 years. We work within a geographical radius of 20 miles from Swansea. I am a registered installer for Freefoam, and I've been an installer for approximately 7 years now. The support from Freefoam can be very helpful regarding leads. If any customers inquire through their websites, the details are sent to me as I've been a registered installer for them, and then obviously I'm able then to contact them and make an appointment and obviously quote for the works that's all required. The quality of the products I find, yes, are very, very far superior than other PVC manufacturers. The use of it is so easy, easy to fit, easy to maintain. They can just offer you the best available prices, really. The guarantee that is awarded directly by Freefoam is always offered to the customers. With the colour range now, we've been given a maximum of 10 years and a 50-year extended guarantee on the whites. It always does help to generate more work, knowing that there's a guarantee with the products as well. It's a good advantage selling point as well. So we visited 3 projects today of 3 previous jobs that we have completed. The first garden room, the lead was sent to me by Davies. When I met the customer, we discussed what the customer required. He supplied the materials, and then we just installed the Misty Grey Vortex cladding. With the second project that we done, that was a complete new roof built, and obviously then explained to the customer then about using the Freefoam roofing. So we used obviously the anthracite colours and black gutters. And regarding the third summer house, the customers had already seen the colours that they liked. And obviously then we built the summer house.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and we've recently had Freefoam cladding on our garden extension. So we just wanted to extend, but not in a traditional way. We wanted a more relaxed space and vibe for the garden. So hence why we chose Freefoam, because we didn't want traditional brick or rendering. We wanted easy maintenance, but that looked good at the same time. We also liked the choice of colours. So we chose Davies because we felt it was important to work with people that we know are recommended and are reliable, and that we can see their workmanship in other places. We love our new space. Can't believe we lived without it.